Everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Learning. In today's session, I will be explaining you rest of the questions of exercise 11.4, and I believe you all are practicing all the questions since your exams are also approaching. So let's begin with question number 4, which is a cuboid is of a dimension 60 centimeter by 54 by 30 centimeter. It means this is L into B into H of the cuboid is given, and it says how many small cubes with sides 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid. We know all the sides of the cube will be same, right? So they are asking you how many cube of the size 6 centimeter can be placed in a given cuboid. So you have to count the number of cubes you can place in this volume. So how do we do that? We have to calculate the number of cubes which we can place. So if we write number of cubes which can be placed where in cuboid, how do we calculate? If I divide the volume of cuboid by the volume of cube, I will get to know the number of cubes which can be placed in the given volume. So volume of cube, and there is no conversion required because everything is given in centimeters, so no conversion is required. We can directly place the values. So let's put the volume of the cuboid L into B into H, and volume of the cube is side cube. Each side is 6, it means 6 into 6 into 6. We can write that the volume of cuboid here as LBH, and volume of cube will be side into side into side. This much formulas we can write. This is a very simple calculation since all are multiples. 6 tens are, then 6 nines are 54, and 6 fives are 30. So these all the numbers are easily divisible. Let's multiply. 5 nines are 45, and 45 into 10 gives you 450. So this much cubes can be placed. This much cubes, 450 cubes of side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given volume, which is 60 by 54 into 30. So this is how we have calculated the number of cubes which you can place in the given volume. Let's see question number 5 of the exercise. Question number 5 is find the height of a cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube. So this is the volume of the cylinder given, and the diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. So you have to calculate the height of such cylinder. One important thing which you have to see here, that the volume of the cylinder is given in meter cube, and whereas the diameter is given in centimeters. So the first thing before we solve the question is to convert them to the same unit. So if I want to calculate the radius, that will be half of the diameter, it means 70 centimeters. And if I want to convert it into meters, I have to divide it by 100. Why? Because 1 centimeter is equals to what? 1 upon 100 meter, as 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So if you cancel it, what we are getting? 7 by 10 meters. Now your volume is in meter cube and your radius is also in meters. Let's calculate the volume. Volume of the cylinder is how much? It is pi r square h, right? Volume is given as 1.54. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius 7 by 10 into 7 by 10, and height is given how much? We have to calculate. This is an, let's say, h. So if I remove this decimal from here, I can write 100 here, right? Because there are two digits, so I have removed the decimal. Now these two zeros I can cancel with here. This 7 you can cancel with this 7. What I am left with, I am only left with h will be equals to how much? If I do cross multiplication, so h will be equals to what? 154 upon, this is 22, and this is 7 which you are left with, 22 into 7. So this is cancelled. 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, and this is 22 and 22. So both are cancelled with each other. It means your height of the cylinder is how much? 1 meter. So how do we write it? Which implies height of the cylinder, height of the cylinder will be how much? 1 meter. So therefore the height of the cylinder will be 1 meter. So this question is done. Whereas in the important thing is that you have to